Be on time. Na 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 with Tree. Boom. Hey y'all, happy new year, happy 2022. Can y'all believe we finally made it? Like, I can't even believe it, but I feel really highly blessed, really motivated to do this video because I haven't put out a video since last year, 2021. So if y'all haven't checked out that video, definitely go and check that out. And like I said before, if you're new, then welcome. It's definitely lit this year. We're definitely going up, and I'm just excited for everything that's to come. I recently got a new job, so I really feel really blessed and really happy for that, because if y'all listen to my other videos, y'all know my struggles that I've gone through. So I really feel good to have a new year and a new job for the new year. So yeah, just continue to pray for me, y'all, and everything will continue to work out. But without further ado, y'all see I blow dried my hair. I'm about to do, y'all see the growth too, like for real. But y'all see the growth. I got a mirror right here to help me with my parting and everything. But yeah, I'm about to braid down my hair and apply this wig. I already styled it and everything. I flat ironed it and plucked the lace and everything yesterday. But yeah, we about to hop right into this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and just keep watching. I might do a voiceover. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, here's this comb. My comb is kind of raggedy, but I'm about to go ahead and start parting and start braiding, so just stay tuned. I'm about to turn on some music. My career about to blast like bubbly.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go, go.
I recognize you.
I don't always braid it all the way to the bottom. I just start to slowly connect them, so I leave the bottom out just to let y'all know.
Fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't you what you want. Oh, I think justice, put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't you.
Hey y'all, so I'm starting to record on my phone. That's why the video might look different. But yeah, I'm about to do these edges. It's turning out cute so far. I'm excited. Put this clip on.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust?
Okay, this is the final result. I hope y'all like it. I love this hair, by the way. Let me give y'all a quick review. So I think I got this in like a 22 inch, but I ended up cutting some of it, as y'all saw. The hair doesn't shed that much, to be honest with you. Like, I don't see any shedding on the ground. Of course, I see little hairs that I cut just now, but other than that, I don't see any shedding. This hair is from Yolissa Hair. This was my first time trying Yolissa Hair, and this is the chocolate color or whatever. I really wanted something brown, something cute to go with my skin, you feel me? So yeah, this is what it looks like. The hair is just so flawless. Like, it's giving scalp, by the way. Like, your girl is coming up, okay? So if y'all looking to get an install done in Charlotte, let your girl know, because I got you. I'm doing it as a side hustle. As y'all heard earlier, I got a new job, but I'm still doing a side hustle of doing hair. So if y'all are in Charlotte, need your hair done, need an install, need a closure install. This is a closure, by the way, a 5x5 closure. So yeah, if you need a closure done, let your girl know. And if you don't, let your friend know, and let your friend know as well, so that we can get this ball rolling. But yes, y'all, I'm loving the results, like, for real. I'm gonna record it in this mirror too, so y'all can see, like, it's giving what it was supposed to give. But yes, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, y'all. And Happy New Year again, okay? Bye. Y'all see that? It's the Scalpiana for me, okay? Like, your girl is not playing. So, yeah.